Hello everybody. This is the last part of my presentation on our radiology workstation software Ambivu. This time I'm going to talk about its volume rendering capabilities. Volume rendering can work with volumetric data from any modality, CT, MRI or PET. For this presentation I'm going to load some CT data. This is the main view. Mouse dragging rotates the camera around the object. It is fairly easy to navigate and find the best view, regardless of whether the volume was scanned axially or not. The rendering mode is currently MIP, maximum intensity projection. We can change it to minimum intensity projection. Average intensity projection, these three modes are affected by windowing. So if we change the windowing and palettes, can change the palettes too. The other modes supported are direct ray casting volume rendering, ray casting with lighting, isosurfaces, and orthogonal textured planes. We can use orthogonal clip lanes to restrict rendering within a subvolume. Clip lanes can also be rendered as a textured quad. On all modes we can apply an arbitrary clip plane that is centered around the current location of crosshairs. The clip plane is always perpendicular to the camera. This is how it looks like in MIP mode. And this in surface mode. It is easy to change the current transfer function in the isosurface threshold, either manually or by selecting one of the presets. Palette and lighting is adjustable too. Light source can be on camera, as it is now, or at a fixed position around the object. We can change the position of the light. It is possible to enter inside the volume and travel by using the free camera. Here I will select the surface mode. And the free camera. Here we see the position and orientation of the camera on the side axial, coronal, sagittal views. It's rendered as a red triangle. Volume rendering is supported on more than one grid. Here we have three views that can be linked together. They may use a different rendering technique. So for example, here we have a surface, a ray casting with lighting rendering, and a maximum intensity projection rendering. Annotations drawn in 2D are rendered in 3D too. For example, we can draw a line here and the polyline, and this is also rendered here. All volume rendering support point and click. Click anywhere on the object and the crosshair will follow. Thick slice reconstruction is another feature. We select MIP. We can move through volume and render in any volume rendering mode a thick slice that corresponds to the position and orientation of the currently selected grid item. We can change the view from axial, coronal, sagittal. We can also change the thickness of slice. And the rendering mode. So here I have surface. And ray casting with lighting. We can zoom, pan and rotate as normal. All of these modes support time rendering for producing animations. It is possible to record the full rotation into an AVI or draw a path and record the camera passing through. In this presentation I showed you some of the things that are possible with Ambivu. All recording was done in real time in high definition using a fairly old ATI Radeon 4850 graphics card that costs new around £80. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the show. Check our website at www.ambivu.com for some more videos, screenshots and further details on our product.